Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and today I have a very special unboxing, a unique unboxing. I'm really excited about this. This is from the Miami Fruit Company. They are obviously based in Florida, and what they do is that they grow Caribbean fruit, and these are exotic fruits, and not only that, but they actually crossbreed fruits. I know that's not the right term. I'm sure it's not the technical term, but that's what they do. So, for example, right now on their website, I saw a fruit that is combination, it's kind of like half watermelon, half guava, and it looks amazing and delicious. I am a huge fruit person. I am Colombian and Ecuadorian, and whenever I travel, it was always one of my favorite things to do is to go to a local market and just go to the fruit section and just ask people, what's that? How do you eat that? And just try delicious new fruits from around the world. So I'm really excited to open this. I saw this for the first time exactly 2 days ago on the BuzzFeed Instagram account. They were showing some of those exotic fruit blends that they've created. When I saw it, I just had to try it. This box is the small box, and it retails, a small box retails, I believe, about $67, but if you want some of that fresh fruit that they have available, you have to overnight it, and it's the only way. So a small box overnighted, I believe the total was $117, but right now they have a coupon code available because everyone is staying home and because it's so hard for us to get fresh fruit. They have a code, I believe it's health, but I will link to the website so that you can see the latest from them and also their Instagram feed. This is not a sponsored video. I didn't even reach out to them. They don't know that I'm making this video. I just was intrigued and had to buy it. One of the reasons why I did make that purchase was exactly what I mentioned. It's very hard for us to go out and shop the way that we normally would. When my husband goes out, he's the one who's doing all the shopping. I'm not gonna send him out to see what's ripe, see what's in season. He's going for very particular, like the necessities. So I haven't really enjoyed a lot of fruit recently. We've mainly been sticking to bananas, grapes, and berries, and that's about it. The occasional avocado here and there. So when I saw this, it was one of the reasons why my mouth was watering and why I had to try it. So because of that coupon, I was able to get, I think it's like 15 or 20% off. So this box is the small box. It was overnighted, and it was, I believe, a total of $99. So let's open up and see what's inside because I'm really excited. By the way, I just have to show you that Miami fruit tape that they use to close up the box. Very cute. It's got fruit with faces on them. Now, one of the things that they are growing and is in season right now is what I call guanábana, what we call guanábana in Colombia, but in English I believe it's called a soursop, and it's one of my favorite fruits. I loved it growing up as a kid. So I saw that and I'm hoping that maybe there might be a guanábana in here. Here is a little thank you booklet from Miami Fruit. When you support Miami Fruit, you are saying yes to ethical and sustainable farming practices, keeping plant diversity alive, paying fair wages to small-scale farmers, reducing food waste, choosing the highest quality fruit on earth, helping a plant-based vegan business grow. And then, woo, some stickers here. Cute. Very cute little sprouting seed right there. Miami Fruit. And then it says the fruit. Cut out the middleman, sustainable farming practices, small scale farming, the highest quality hand selected by us, eat seasonal, wide variety of nutrients, and then more information here and their socials. So their website has a guide, and on that guide you will have a list of the fruits that they grow, their names, how you eat them, and just more information about each fruit. Oh, how to tell when they're ripe, which is excellent. So if you are receiving fruits that you've never seen before, which I hope is true, I hope is the case, I'm always up for that. If there's a fruit that I don't recognize, it gets me, I'm excited. Anyway, so yeah, I love that because it tells you how to know when the fruit is ripe and then how to eat it. This guy right here, which I believe is a mamoncillo, which has different names in different parts of the country, in different parts of the world, I should say. Or is this a lime? I think it's a mamoncillo. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Oh, it smells like a lime. I don't know. I don't know what these are, but here they are. They kind of look like limes, but they also look like mamoncillos. Then there's these guys, which I've also look like tiny little oranges. So I am not prepared for this video. Unusually so. I like to research and prepare, but I had no idea what was coming to me. So I don't know what these are, but I will look on the website and then provide more information in the description box below so that you can take a look. This I do recognize. I hope this, I believe, is a mango. Smells so good. And then here are the things that kind of confuse me because some things look like others and I'm not sure what this is. A soursop, but I could be wrong. There's also this guy, kind of looks like a little artichoke but without the leaves, just kind of like the grooves. This is, I love this. And another one of those. Really well packaged. Again, it came overnight, so right away, because I did want, you can make requests and they can try to fulfill them based on what's available. But I did say, I said in my notes, I said, I love passion fruit, I love guanábana. If I can have those, that would be great. But I do not want papaya. I'm not a big papaya fan. And no turmeric. They're also growing turmeric, but I don't need turmeric. I would rather just have delicious sweet fruit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab my computer to see if I can look these up and tell you right now what they are. All right, everyone, I quickly grabbed my computer and I'm on the Miami Fruit website and I am looking at what's in season so I can tell you what some of these are. This one, I was right, is a guanábana. Really excited to cut this open because again, it's one of my favorite fruits. This one right here is what they are calling a mamey or a mamey sapote. Ooh, so kind of looks like a papaya on the inside. Very interesting. This fruit makes a great meal on its own. It can also be made into a refreshing smoothie or satisfying pie. The flavor is comparable to a sweet potato mixed with pumpkin pie, and it has a texture similar to an avocado when ripe. Interesting, and it does give me a smoothie recipe right there. So I love that. These two right here are called atemoya, and the website says atemoya is a mix of a sugar apple and a cherry moya. It is a rare member of the Annona family. The flesh is juicy and smooth. The flavor is very sweet vanilla. And that is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, this fruit does look similar to this one. And the way that you eat it is that you just kind of pick at it and you eat the pulp that surrounds the seed. The seeds are these little black pearls right here, and you just kind of pick at it and eat the pulp. And it is kind of stringy, but I think you just get used to the texture. It's really good as a milkshake. That is how I would consume guanábana mostly as a kid, not the fresh fruit because it was so hard to get here in the States, but you could always buy the frozen packs of guanábana in the Latino supermarkets, and then you would make milkshakes out of them, and it's still to this day my favorite milkshake. So these are key limes from Florida, so I will hold on to these for whenever I make like a guacamole. You know what? I don't know what these are, but I'm very curious, so I'm gonna cut into it. I'm just gonna wash it and just try it. The guanábana doesn't appear to be ripe, so I'm not going to cut into that, but these might be, so let's try these. This one is a lot firmer, but this one is very soft. I don't know what that means. I don't know if you eat the skin, but let's just dig in and see what happens. So this is the soft one, and then here is that. It does smell like orange. It has that citrusy smell. Interesting. The guanábana does feel soft, so it's probably ripe, so let's cut into it. Not the sharpest knife, but let's try. Oh my gosh. There it is. Beautiful. And just to make sure this is actually a key lime, which I'm pretty sure it is, I'm just going to cut into it. it is. Okay, so this mame, I think is what they called it. It said that you know it's ripe when it's soft all over. It's still pretty firm, so I don't believe it's ripe, so I'm gonna set that aside. The mango, I think we all know what a mango is. I hope we all know what a mango is, so I'm gonna set that aside as well, but I'm dying to dig into these. This smells exactly like an orange. I'm just gonna pop it in my mouth and see what happens. It tastes exactly like an orange. Exactly like an orange. A little more sour. The rind is a bit bitter, the way that an actual orange is. It's soft, so you can eat through it, but it's a little too bitter for me. It's sour. I like it though. I love sour things. But I've never seen oranges like this. And they're sour like a lime would be. I'm digging it. Oh man, that's good. Oh, my mom and I both like sour things. I got it from her. When she was pregnant with me, she used to walk into diners and just ask for limes or lemons and just pour salt on the lime and lemon and eat that. So I get it from her. I want to dig into this soursop. So you don't eat the seeds, you just have to like pop them out and you eat just the pulp around them. Let's see. Okay, here we go. That is really good. Probably could have waited a little bit for it to wrap it up just a little bit more, but that's delicious. I'm not gonna force y'all to watch me eat all this, but I'm super happy with this. I only wish, if there was one con to this, I only wish that they would just give you a little note. Doesn't have to be anything super fancy, just a little note telling you the fruits that are included. That way it's much easier for you to look on their website, find out what it is, find out how to know when it's ripe and how to prepare it or how to eat it. I love that they do have recipes for these fruits, so I think that's a huge plus. All in all, I'm happy with this. I definitely would get a larger box next time. It's a little bit of an investment, like I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit on the expensive side, but like the pamphlet said, you are supporting a small business, small farmers, and I can't find this in New York. I can't just go out and buy a mame or, you know, a wana like this. So it's an investment, but for me, it was worth it because I was missing some fruit, and this definitely is gonna hit the spot for me and my kids. And this is just also an educational experience. You can look up where guanawana grows and who eats the guanawana and how it's prepared to the places that it's indigenous to. So I'm definitely gonna call my daughter over and tell her, look, this is a guanawana, this grows in Colombia, the mango, all these other fruits. So this is a variety pack. I forgot to mention that. You can also just buy a small box of whatever particular food that they have available, but I wanted variety, so I like this. This is good. This is fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it if you enjoyed it. If you know someone who loves fruit, who's vegan, or just a little more adventurous with their food, definitely share this with them so that they see what this company can offer them. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click on that bell button next to the subscribe button so that you can set your notifications for all. That way you will get an email whenever my videos go out. I make new videos every single week, and I cover everything from fashion to beauty to DIY projects to home decor and more. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.